So guys, we are just going to jump right into this video because I'm filming this video at night, and also I have written down all the ingredients and also the measurement that we need in making this lightning glowing body oil. So before you start, you need your scale to measure out all your ingredients. Okay, so the first ingredient that we're going to be making use of is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very good in nourishing the skin. It moisturizes the skin and it's good for dry skin. It softens the skin and it's good for cellulite, and also it relieves sunburn. It has antibacterial properties, and it's also boost skin glow and fade fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so you'll be needing that, which is very very important. And the second oil that we'll be making use of is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is good for antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and also it has an antioxidant property, and it's also good in vitamin E. Is very rich in vitamin E. Okay, and then so you'll be needing it. Okay, so this is good for dry skin as well. This is a very good oil that you can actually make at home. You can use this, your kids can use it. Okay, all you need to do is just to remove the lightning ingredient in it. And the third product that we'll be making use of is almond oil. Almond oil is very very good. Is excellent in moisturizing for both skin and hair, and it may help in preventing stretch mark, and it also protects the skin from sun damages. Okay, and then another ingredient that we'll be making use of today is lavender oil. Lavender oil is good for eczema and dry skin, and it also help in fighting acne, and it also have anti-inflammatory properties, and it prevents breakout. It unclogs the pores as well. It's very very good for acne, guys. So you'll be needing lavender oil. Okay, all the oil that we're making use of today are very very important, so you'll be needing all of them. Okay, so we don't really have much ingredient though, but yes. So another ingredient that we will be making use of today is carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil is used for cosmetics, for anti-aging properties in skincare. It's also good for antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties, and it brightens the skin as well. Okay, it brightens the skin and it even out your complexion. So this is a very good oil that we make use of, and carrot seed oil is actually our base oil today. So and another oil that we will be needing is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is rich in antioxidants. It softens the skin. It's good for glowing the skin, and also it helps in nourishing the skin as well. So it's very very important in this recipe. And then we'll be needing half cast oil, though I have a little, and I don't think I'll be making use of everything because we are making 250 ml. So half cast oil is good for lightening the skin, and it's also is actually a heavy oil, but you can actually skip this by not adding it into it. But if you want to have the benefit, yes, then you can add it into it. It's heavy though, but it's very very good. And then we'll be needing snail extract. This is our escabel snail serum. This is good for treatment. It's good for green vein. It's good for stretch mark. This will even add your complexion and give you a very nice glowing skin. And also this help in it helps in blemishes as well. So it's a very good oil that we'll be needing in this recipe. And then another oil that we'll be making use of is whitening glycerin. Whitening glycerin is a lightening ingredient that we'll be making use of today, though we don't really have much lightening ingredients in this recipe. But don't be, you can decide to add other things that you want to add into it, but don't forget that this recipe I'm giving out is 100% guarantee, is 100% pure, is 100% good for the skin. So whitening glycerin lightens the skin, it gives a very nice glowing skin, and also it add moisture into the skin. Okay, it's a very good oil. You can choose to use vegetable glycerin if you wish to, but don't forget we are making lightning glowing oil, so we need that into it. And then we make use of turmeric oil. So turmeric oil is a very good oil that is good for fighting acne, it's good for black spots, it's good for blemishes, and it lightens the skin so well. So turmeric oil is one of the oil that I love so much when making my glowing oil, because if you want to make a caramel glowing oil, you can as well add in turmeric oil. It will even out your complexion and give you a very nice beautiful glowing skin. And then we'll be making use of bio oil. Bio oil is very very good. I have seen a lot of people using this for a very long time now. So bio oil can be used for dark spots, it can be used for stretch mark, it can be used for scars, it even out the complexion. It gives a very nice glow, okay, and it's very very good in treating a lot of things. So if you have dark spot, you have blemishes, you have stretch mark, you have scars, bio oil is one of the oil that you can actually use. Okay, you can apply this directly on your skin without having any complications. It's a very nice oil that I would recommend for anybody. And then here is my mixing bowl. Make sure you spray your mixing bowl with alcohol, clean it very well, and your hand as well. Okay, so because we cannot afford to contaminate our products, okay, so you need to make sure that everything that you'll be making use of are very very clean and neat. Okay, you can spray it with rubbing alcohol, or better still you can use what's it called, you can just make sure that you're cleaning it anyway. So that's all I can say. So what we are going to do now is to measure in all our ingredients. I already have my scale here, so that is what you need. I've written out the measurement, so you might need to watch this video to the end because there's a lot of details and a lot of things I'll be giving out. And if you watch this video to the end, probably I don't want to reveal the secrets yet, so just wait and keep on watching. So my first base oil is carrot oil, and carrot oil will be needing 50 grams of carrot oil. And then another oil that we'll be adding in is almond oil. Okay, so I'm going to be adding in my almond oil as well. So my almond oil is going to be 37.5 grams. So this is 250 ml product. Okay, so you can decide to increase your measurement if you want to make more than 250 ml. Okay, so we'll be needing 37.5 grams of almond oil. So the second oil that I'll be adding into this mixture is grapeseed oil. So grapeseed oil will be needing 37.5 gram as well. And then another oil that I'll be adding into it is lavender oil. So lavender oil will be needing 37.5 gram as well. Okay, so then we're going to be adding in jojoba oil next. Okay, so our jojoba oil will be needing 37.5 gram. Okay, so the next oil that I'll be adding in is going to be our whitening glycerin. Okay, so our whitening glycerin, we need 17.5 gram. All right, so it's quite thick. That's just the issue I have with whitening glycerin, but you can decide to skip it if you want to, or you can decide to replace it with another whitening or lightening oil. Okay, so and then another oil that we're going to be adding in is going to be turmeric oil. So our turmeric oil, we need 12.5 gram. Okay, so I'm going to be adding that in, and then we're going to be needing bio oil. So that's our treatment oil, so you'll be needing 7.5 gram as well. So I'm going to be adding that in. Please make sure that you are measuring everything according to the right percentage. Please do not go overboard and don't go lesser. So that's just it. And then another oil that I'll be adding in is my snail extract. So my snail extract, I need 10 gram. And then for my half caste oil, we'll be needing 5 gram. Okay, so make sure you are writing down all these measurements. 5 gram of half caste oil. And then the next oil that we're going to be adding in is our AHA. I don't know if I talked about this earlier. Okay, so we're going to be adding in our BB Clear serum. BB Clear serum is a whitening serum that even add a complexion, and it exfoliates the skin so well and it lightens the skin. So and it contains vitamin C as well. It's a very good oil though, but it contains AHA and it's a whitening product, so you need to add in the right percentage. Don't add too much, please. So in this recipe I'm using just 2%, and that is 5 gram. Okay, so I'm not adding too much. There's nothing like pour in a full container or the full bottle because you want to have a better result or something. So that is not going to justify anything. So you just need to add it as you're supposed to, so you will not make mess or you will not start having irritation on your skin. So please, that is very, very important. So I'm adding in 5 grams of my AHA, which is my BB Clear serum. So this BB Clear serum is very good for dark knuckles. If you are making your dark knuckle, you can decide to use it. It's very, very nice. You can just mix it with a normal whitening based cream and apply it on your knee or the area where you have dark spots. It's very, very good for acne, guys. And then we'll be adding in vitamin E oil. So there, here I have 1%, which is 2.5 gram. So I don't want to use the raw one because of the smell. I don't really like the smell. That's why I'm using this particular one. So if you have the other one, that the one that they normally sell in the market, you can decide to use it. And here I'm adding in my turmeric essential oil. Okay, so that is going to be my fragrance. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to stir everything together. I'm going to make sure that I stir very, very well. Okay, stir. So see, when you are stirring this oil, you need to stir well, because you know that we have a whitening glycerin and what's it called, cast oil. So both oil are very, very heavy. They are the only two heavy oil that we have in here, so you need to stir very, very well to incorporate them together. And another thing that you need to do is, when you want to apply this oil on your skin, make sure you shake the bottle very well so it can mix properly before applying it on your skin. So guys, this is our lightning glowing oil. This is a very good oil. This is a higher requested video. Okay, a lot of people have been sending me DM to make a video for glowing oil, lightning glowing oil, and I decided to do it today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love this video. And this particular recipe, I'm not using too much oils or too much serums. I just want to do this according to what you guys want and according to what I can also give out. So it's a very good one, and it's something you can use without using cream. You can use this morning and night. Okay, it's not something that will just give you results once, so it's something you have to keep on using, and definitely you will love the outcome of it. So this is a very good recipe that you can sell, you can make for friends, your kids can use it. All you need to do is just to remove the whitening glycerin and the cast oil, and you are good to go. And the BB Clear. BB Clear is an exfoliating serum. It lightens the skin very well. It's good for acne. So it's a very good recipe for this. Is a very good ingredient for this recipe. So guys, if you have watched this video to this point, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I have a gift for 2 people. So this oil is 250 ml. So I already have a lot of oil. I already have a lot that I'm still using that I haven't finished yet. So I'll be giving this out to 2 people. So the 2 people that I'll be giving this oil to are going to be the first 2 people that will comment on this video. And another thing is, you have to be in Lagos. You have to be here in Lagos. Okay, if you don't base here in Lagos, please, I cannot send it to you. I don't want to go through all that stress of me looking for a way to send it. Please, if you are here in Lagos, then you already have 100 ml of this oil. So I'll be giving 2 of this oil out, 100 ml for 2 people. So, and that's just it. And you're going to, I will leave my number on the description box or on this video, so you can send me a DM or WhatsApp, and also you drop your contact. Okay, and then your address, and you're going to be paying for the delivering fees. I'm not going to be paying for that. So that's just it about this recipe. If there's another recipe you want me to put out here for you guys, do not forget to leave a comment down below. As you guys can see, after stirring this for like few minutes, you can see that it has incorporated very well. So that's what I was talking about. You need to mix and mix and mix very well before you get your desired result or your desired consistency. So I love this oil. It's very, very light, and this will absorb into your skin very well. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, you see why it's very important to write down your measurement and everything. As I have said before, this is 250 ml, and this is the container. We have nothing left in it aside from this little one here. So if I'm to pour that in, definitely it will still enter because I still have a little space here. So you see, this is 250 ml. I can actually share this into two, okay, into two container, 100 ml each. So the first two people that will comment on this video will be getting it. So guys, if you want this oil to have like extra lightening effect, or you want it to whiten the complexion, and you don't want to add in serum or any other oils or anything, just add in Sim white powder. Sim white powder is very good for oils. It's an oil soluble. It whitens the skin and it's very good, but it's not advisable to use it for the lip. And if you want to add in Sim white powder, please do not add more than 2%. Please, you can add in less than 2%, but do not add in more than 2%. Is not advisable to do that. So it's a very good lightening oil, and I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Thank you guys.